Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy churros. First, let's prepare our dough. In a saucepan, combine 1 cup of water, 1/4 cup of unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of sugar, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Bring this mixture to a rolling boil. Once boiling, remove from heat and quickly stir in 1 cup of all-purpose flour until a smooth ball of dough forms. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes to dry it out, then beat in 2 large eggs, one at a time, until fully incorporated. Now that our dough is ready, it's time to shape those iconic churros. Transfer the warm dough into a piping bag fitted with a large star tip, about 1/2 inch wide. This tip creates the classic ridges. Pipe 4 to 6 inch long churros onto sheets of parchment paper. Aim for consistent lengths to ensure they cook evenly. If you're feeling confident, you can even pipe them directly into the hot oil later. Next, we'll fry our churros to golden perfection. Heat about 3 inches of vegetable oil in a deep, heavy-bottomed pot to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully drop a few churros into the hot oil, making sure not to overcrowd the pot. Fry them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Use a slotted spoon to remove them and place them on paper towels to drain any excess oil. Finally, let's add that irresistible sweet coating. While your churros are still warm from frying, roll them generously in a mixture of 1/2 cup of granulated sugar and 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. This sweet and spicy coating is essential. Serve your freshly coated churros immediately with your favorite dipping sauce, perhaps a rich chocolate ganache or a creamy dulce de leche. Enjoy these delightful, crispy treats.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.